So I get them 2 guava here. Pick them guava here and I come up the hill. Yeah. So, you know, I go wash them and see what I go on for them. Yeah. Guava people. You know, so when you're there in the hills you can't hungry. You have guava, you have tangerine, grapefruit, whole heap of fruits, but tangerine already yet and grapefruit already yet, but guava there. I say mango already up here now. Yeah. Mango already up. Jelly there on tree, same way. You know what I mean? Down in the September, October, tangerine and more grapefruit are going to come in. But they have pineapple kind of done here now. Yeah, and apple done half here now. So wash me guava them and eat me guava them out. And I get none of guava. I'll go and pee water, come now, water go. Alright, anyway. Wash off them guava. I don't know what really happened a while ago, people, but I go to boom and wash me guava them and so I eat them for camera. You know, so I just the video cut off. I don't know what go on for the video don't save. Just don't eat the guava there. Right, see next thing here, people. Now see up the hill I come and see this a roadside. And I say, oh, what a banana there. And the man say, just cut it if you want to cut it. Tell him say me tell you to cut it. And you go so boom and cut it off of the tree I give me and the man say a roadside banana. Yeah, so get it here now. I think them call a banana, yeah. I for monkey banana, you know, but I put it ripe. Yeah, but they have a next name for you, you know. Yeah, man. Put the banana here for ripe one. Alright, so that's a blacky mango one tree. Yeah. About. See the mango them I tell you about from one of the people. We call them kidney mango. Them mango yeah, are just pure worm. Them mango yeah, full of worm. Them no good. Yeah, them call them kidney mango. Goat can't get them to eat. Watch it. Kidney mango. All of them mango have been worm. Fly off all of them there. All of them have been worm. We don't consume these mangoes. Don't consume these mangoes. See that? So the goat them can't hungry, you know? Yeah. Now watch it again. Mango they can't eat. They are up in the hills and thing. Check what I go on for my email first. Oh, that Teddy. Hillside with the people, everything good. That's so nice and cool. Alright. That good. See, you did it walk off. Don't look back in the camera out. So I have a 1 year mango I go deal with. Yeah. 1 year mango me find when I come up the hill. Go deal with that year mango, yeah. Big up all of us. Support the channel from day one, people. Please remember to share the channel with your friends and your family, you know what I mean? Make them subscribe to the channel. Yeah.